I'm wasting my breath trying to explain to you how wonderful and amazing this home is behind me. It is 3 homes totaling 11,000 square feet and priced at $7.8 million. I'm privileged and obviously very excited because you and I are gonna go on an exclusive tour today. I'm gonna show you my favorite things on the property, and you're gonna take a glimpse at things that I've never even seen in a home before. So come on inside, let's check this one out. I'm so excited for you to see what a kitchen in a $7.8 million home looks like. Obviously, quartz countertop, Wolf built-in appliances is what you'd expect. Now, this is not the kitchen though. This is just the prep pantry for the home. This out here in this 25-foot vaulted space is the main kitchen of the property. Now, obviously a much larger kitchen island where you can seat not just 3, not just 5, but 7 guests at just the kitchen island. And then in addition to that, the custom banquet seating where the entertaining and the meal is gonna flow out into the rest of the evening. Next, as someone who works from home, I need you to see how cool this office is. Now in my dream office, I would love to have a custom white oak desk that's built in an area to go ahead and decompress, maybe watch a show in the middle of the day, and then especially a lifestyle flow, one that easily is able to transition me from working at my home that takes me back into my family space. And so I love that the way this one's designed is with the nice vaulted ceilings and the great glass paneling walls. By the end of the day, I can see my wife waving me out of the office saying, hey, it's time for dinner, come on out of there. Now, the entirety of the estate is comprised of over 11,000 square feet. The ADU out back is a little bit over 1,000 square feet. The skate arena is 1,700 square feet. And then the main home we're in is a little bit under 9,000 square feet with a primary downstairs, 3 living spaces, 2 kitchens, bedrooms with en-suites upstairs, and a full workout room. There's just not enough time to show you this whole house. So go ahead, roll the clip. Welcome to the primary suite of this property. Now for me, a few very important features on a primary bedroom. The first and foremost is gonna be a fireplace. I think that it just adds such a cozy environment to a home and just that hominess by being able to curl up in bed to whether it's a wood or a gas fireplace. The second most important thing for me in a primary bedroom is gonna be natural light that I can go ahead and get rid of in a moment. This entire home here actually has motorized shades. So at the flip of a light switch on a wall, all of this turns into a blackout room that's perfect for sleeping in. But that's enough on the bedroom. Come check out the primary bath. Creating the tranquility of a spa in the location of your primary bath is not an easy feat to accomplish. One way that the sellers of this property were able to do that is with this Carrara marble that runs the length of the bathroom, but they actually had to go internationally for it. For the actual enclosed shower space here, the subway tile set for this Carrara marble was unavailable here in the United States. And so sourcing it internationally was one way that they took this home to another level and were able to make their dreams of a spa-like bathroom a reality. In the entirety of this nearly acre estate, this is my favorite room. Of all 11,000 square feet, this is the room that I would have the biggest hopes, the biggest dreams, and the biggest vision for my family. This is more of a clubhouse room that's located right off of the pool here. And to me, when I look at a property and I see just not square footage, but I see the usability, and to me, this is the quintessential room where my teenage kids are bringing their friends over to enjoy a summer afternoon in the pool. And this is where the party then flows back into the rest of the evening, and me and my wife spy on the kids from the other room. And so I think it's critical that when you are buying a property, you not just look at the square footage, but instead look at the lifestyle it's gonna create for you and your family. Stepping outside, I want to go ahead and take a breath of fresh air. Do you hear those birds right now? We're at the back of Mace River Estates in Eagle. The back of this property is actually adjacent to the Boise River. The nearly acre that this home is built on is not just an amazing feat in and of itself, but the location that it is paired with really blends the best of a new modern farmhouse and all the activities that you can enjoy with that, and the proximity to wildlife and the serenity that that brings. Let's talk outdoor living, from not just the custom fireplace and the 3 dining spaces, the 2 lounge spaces, the pool with the steel rope swing, and the custom built-in hot tub adjacent to the primary bedroom. This is a backyard that I have never seen in my life, and I hope I get invited over for a pool party. Last but not least is the 1,700 square foot barn that hosts the half pipe of your dreams. This is an exceptional space, especially if your kids make a lot of noise. Imagine being able to throw them out here for countless hours with the arcade games, 2 living spaces, and a full bathroom. This is probably a house that you should buy so you can send your kids out here and not see them for a few days. Thank you for joining us on this listing tour here in Eagle, and I want to give a special shout out to Amy Phillips. This is her listing, and the reason that we're able to showcase properties like this to you is due in part to great real estate agents like her. So this is it for this property here in Eagle, and we'll see you on the next one.